In audit planning, next we are going to see what are the steps to develop audit program. First one is understanding the client and the business, which means before drafting the audit program, auditor must thoroughly understand the client's business, internal controls and operations and financial reporting framework. This understanding guides the development to appropriate audit procedures. Second comes the risk assessment. The audit program must be risk based. The auditor assesses the risk of materials misstatement based on their understanding of the entity and industry. The higher the risk, the more extensive and detailed audit procedure will be. Next comes the tailoring the program. In each audit program, it is customized to fit the specific circumstance of the engagement, which includes the size, complexity of the entity, nature of the business or the industry, internal control environment, previous audit findings and any changes since last audit. Next comes the document procedures. The audit procedure should be clearly documented in the program, ensuring each step is explained and is clearly with the accounts, balances or transactions are be tested. Next comes the review and finalization. Once the audit program is drafted, it should be reviewed by senior member of the audit team, that is audit manager or the partner of the company, to ensure that it covers all necessary and is aligned with audit strategy. The finalized program is then approved and the field work can be begun. Next we are going to see what is the importance in the audit program, because audit program is very important in audit planning, which gives the foundation for the success. The guidance of the audit team is very important in audit programming. The audit programming provides a roadmap for the audit team, ensuring that all the team members are aligned with the scope, objectives and tasks they need to perform. Consistency and standardization. A well-structured audit program ensure consistency and standardization across the audit engagement. It helps the team follow a systematic approach, reducing the chances of error or omissions. Efficient use of resources. By clearly allocating tasks, resources and timelines, the audit program ensures that the audit is performed efficiently, reducing unnecessary work and ensuring timely consumption. Next comes the importance of risk management. The audit program ensures that risks are addressed and the audit procedure are tailored to focus on the areas with greater likelihood of material misstatement, because it reduces the audit risk and ensures that audit opinion is based on a solid evidence, because audit program details the specific procedures to be performed, the evidence to be collected and the time frames of each step. It helps auditors to track progress and ensures a systematic and throughout audit. So the documentation of reviews will come in a proper way. Next it comes the compliance with the audit standards. The audit program helps ensure that audit is carried out in the compliance with auditing standards such as international standards of auditing. In short, we used to call it as ISA, or generally accepted auditing standards, GAAS, that is GAAS, and that the sufficient audit evidence is collected to support the audit opinion. Documentation for review. The audit program serves as a document for future reference, enabling the audit team and senior auditors to review the work done during the audit. It also serves as evidence that the audit was conducted in accordance with acceptance and practices. Audit quality control. Quality control. The audit program facilitates quality control by ensuring that all necessary procedures are followed and documented. because audit programs shows the quality of the audit which is effectively done by the auditors, so that the company can get what was the mistakes they have done and how to be it can be rectified. So